Yo, what is up, guys? So today I'm here. I'm gonna be doing the food chain challenge. So we're gonna start off with some worms, and then I'm gonna catch a bluegill, and then we're gonna put the bluegill out and catch some bass. I'm here with Lip Rippin' Legends. They're a new channel. Some kids that live near me, and let's get to it. All right, we got the first bluegill rigged up on a bobber SLX combo. Let's get it out there. All right, guys, we just got 2 bluegill out there, so let's go catch some more bluegill and see if we can get them ready for the bass.
The bluegill's not bad.
So our bluegill's going under.
No.
Oh shit.
Yo, Parker, bro.
No, hold it. Wait. Once the second it goes under, set the hook. Wait. You got it?
Yeah.
All right. It's a little one.
Bro, I don't know what to do. Oh,
Yo, that's perfect. That's perfect. Oh, no, it's big. I think it's too big.
Well,
I think that's good.
Cut your line?
Actually, yeah.
Can you just cut your line?
Why? We have a hook on it.
I think it's too
Okay,
big.
look at how hard it is. Like, it must be dying. Wait, let me look. I need this. That one?
Mm-hmm.
Good size? I'll put it on my...
Yeah, it's tiny, I think.
Is it good?
Nah,
Too big.
too big.
I had it.
No.
I'm just gonna try it line to line now for this because it's already all rigged up. Oh, what for that? There's a line to line. I don't know what it's called.
Like a clinch knot? Yep, mate. Got one.
Nice size.
I can't tell yet. Yeah. Yes.
Alright, get it on mine. Get it on mine.
That's good, right?
Get it on. Oh wait, I got one too. Oh. Don't reel that. No. You tied it? Oh. First, Stony Brook got overfished so fast.
I'm getting one right now. Come bring the rod here.
Wait, let me fish. Oh, holy. You caught like 2,000 blues. Just fix it. It's... Yeah, no. No. It already ran a lot.
I need it. Wait. Just bring it here.
Wait,
Hold up. Yeah, I got one.
Parker, he got. Oh, is that a big one?
It's tiny.
It's not even reading the bubble.
Yo, I got a perfect one.
That is actually good. That is actually good. I'm on. I'm on. Yo, you know that little deep. Bro, you just stole my spot, Parker. Move. Yo, Parker, you know that little deep hole by my house?
Yeah. Yeah.
You know the one that by Baldwin though?
Yeah.
Wait, is there a bobber on one of those rods?
Because I don't see a bobber in the water.
Why not? Parker, the deeper one, like the bigger and deeper. I may try to put it back.
Yo, I bombed that one. All right, guys, got another rod out. He's running. The bluegill's running pretty nicely. He's out pretty far. Just gonna let him run.
Alright, we need a bluegill on the unlanded rod.
Well, I'm about to get one, trust. He-
My new strat, I'm gonna be catching on everything.
Oh my God, he just ran. I think it might be, no, it's tiny, I think.
He's good. You got one. Ready. Alright, put it on.
Uh,
The bridge at Hunt is insane for rock bass.
you think this is too big?
Maybe a little. Yeah.
Yeah.
We need minutes. Yo, Alex, under the bridge at Hunt is insane for rock bass. At Hunt? Yeah, the one where they do the race. This, like I caught this. Yeah. That's like a stud. Where did the pink line go?
Yo, you think I'll catch a worm on this? Or catch a bluegill on that?
I mean, I know that you. Did you see someone caught like a bluegill on the grass? People catch bluegill on bare hooks. Yeah. But since we're at the educational testing service, maybe they're smarter.
Yo! Oh, that's him reeling it in. Shit. Yeah, alright. Stop pulling it in! Yes, you are. You're pulling it in. Alright, Parker's ass at fishing, bro.
He said he was better at that.
You think I'll catch a fish on this tiny piece?
Just open the bail.
Don't open the bail.
No, when he's like walking back.
Oh, alright. Close the bail now. Yo, I'm about to catch a bass on that tiny piece.
A bass?
Or a bluegill on this tiny piece, bro. There's no way. There's no way.
Wait, so do you think there's catfish?
There's no way, bro. How
It
did
might actually be a good size.
how did something eat that, bro?
Does it fit that? Is it good? Oh,
Yeah, it's way too big.
Isn't bluegill like the big?
Bro, he literally ate that tiny piece of bluegill, bro. Or that tiny piece of worm.
Is it still there?
Yes, bro. He literally ate that, bro.
Is that big or small?
Big.
Wait.
I'm literally spawn camping bluegill, bro.
Up to this. That one.
No, just only use small ones, trust.
Oh my god.
Bro, I'm literally spawn camping these bluegill, bro.
No, you didn't.
Wait.
The one I caught my bass on. Luke, come here. Luke, here. Try to save it. Bro, T-Law said to me the other day, he was like, can I just start fishing for bluegill at small pond?
Oh. Bro, they're eating the tiny piece again. Bro, Bro, bluegill don't get pregnant.
They just eat bare hooks though.
Blue-
Just throw.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
It looks like it's pregnant.
No, this is because it's laying eggs.
We can stay hooking.
White one.
Don't reel that in though. I'm not.
You're not getting bites. It's the bluegill kicking.
Wait, what do beds look like?
It's like
You-
right in front of you. Wait, Alex, should I wait to see if that's a better one?
Where's my spinning rod? Where's my Guggen spinning rod?
Which one's bigger, that one or that
Yo, Parker, could you get my Guggen spinning rod?
They look wait, over here. That one?
Yeah.
Which one? This one?
It's Guggen with a silver reel.
Wait, yeah, that.
It's over there.
The sunfish work too. Is there shad in here?
I got a tiny one.
Yeah, wait, put it on mine.
Actually, it's not tiny, but like.
It's bigger.
All right, guys, we got the bluegill. Let's get him out there. Oh.
Okay. Yeah, let's get
Let's see the bluegill.
Let's get the bluegill out. Or let's let him keep it, you know?
Wait, let me get. Open his mouth.
Get it tough.
Wait, I can release it here, right?
You'll be able to see that.
Absolute. Open his mouth. Open his mouth.
Chunk stud.
4.5 pounder.
That's 2.5, Luke.
Shut up.
It was literally weighted and fit 2.5. Guys.
Alex.
Kick off.
Let's go!